The first ingredient in our anti-acne powder is Dermavale. This is an oat-based powder. Its fine particle size on the skin makes it good for powders. The first ingredient that we will be adding to the Dermavale is Albagel. This acts as an absorbent for oils on the skin. And now we will be adding Kaolin. This will act as an absorbent for oils on the skin as well. Now we will add some scrub silica. This is a third absorbent powder and also has anti-caking properties, which will allow the powder to spread evenly across the skin. Now we will add the first of our two technologies, MultiSal Salicylic Acid. This encapsulation of salicylic acid allows for higher loading of sal acid into powders, and within the formulation this will help to exfoliate the skin. And now our final ingredient and the second of our two technologies, MultiSal Sebum Control. This is a double encapsulation of zinc PCA, which is encapsulated in a polysaccharide. So the polysaccharide will immediately absorb excess oil on the skin surface, and then the zinc PCA will help to modulate the sebum secretion once it is released. So this will help reduce the shine of the skin and will instantly mattify. This is our MultiSal Salicylic Acid and MultiSal Sebum Control Anti-Acne Powder. As you can see, it is a free-flowing light powder. If desired, other pigments could be added to this to match a specific skin tone. And here is the powder being applied to the skin. Even though a healthy amount of powder has been applied, it still absorbs fairly quickly and is easily spreadable. As you can see, it does not cake together and mattifies the skin quite nicely.